Okay, these are Lorraine's visitors. They come every morning for breakfast. Lorraine calls them, what is it?
Sally and Sammy.
Sally and Sammy.
Sammy's the fat one.
Sammy's the fat one.
Sally's dainty.
Sally's dainty. So who's scoffing? Sally. So Sam gets the first feed, yeah?
Oh, always. And he pushes her out the way.
Really? Other than that, he's a devoted husband.
He's not.
They've lived on the roof for how many years?
Oh, I don't know. I started feeding them probably about eight, maybe?
Maybe 8 years. And they're looking in pretty good condition. It's the sea breeze at Aberdeen. It's good for their constitution.
But they keep the others away.
And they keep all the other seagulls away. So, do they come back during the day?
Yeah. They knock on the window.
They knock on the window when they want a top up.